Okay, so today I scraped the data from using the product's name, and there are like around 27 items with different products name of same company, and like they are in a same category as well. And after that, after getting the rows out of the sheet, I'm like using that fields to like use my credentials like APIs and all that for Google's custom search, which gives us like 100 free web searches per day. And after that, like I'm using Google's this code node from n8n, in which I'm trying to scrape data from specific countries. Like if I want data to be from Romania about those products, then like I'm using that code node to guide the HTTP in such a way that it extracts data from that very country. Like if it is from Romania, then it will be fetching mainly the data from .ro domains, and even from .eu and .com if they mention that they have a setup in Romania. And then I'm using this HTTP node where I'm using custom search of Google, and I have my credentials in it, so I'm not able to like open it, and I'm not gonna show you right away. But here I'm like setting it up, and then I'm using this code node for fetching the links. It has this HTTP nodes scraped from the web, and after fetching this, what I'm getting is like around 243 items, which means like 243 different sort of leads, which mention this product specifically FMB 920 and